I'm over here. Where am I? Where am I, my brother? St. Anne's. Alright, so we're in St. Anne's. And what's your name? Eh? Alright, so what we have here? What we have here? Potato pudding, people. Potato pudding in pot, not in stove, in pot. Eh? What else we have? What else we have? Hey, pumpkin, pumpkin pudding, people. Yeah, right now. So you see, people, the thing in pot, the thing in pot. The thing is not in a stove. This is what you call original making of pudding. What else we have? Which one is that?
Carrot.
Carrot pudding. Hey, so they try put it in the order, please. Put in the order. What else we have? That's it?
Cornmeal inside.
So and we have cornmeal inside. Them say cornmeal inside. So cornmeal is not out here. Cornmeal done. And you see what happened? The fire is on top. Tell them the process, please.
Fire on top for the
Hey, you hear? The fire is on top of the pot.
yeah, hella top, hella bottom.
Say it again. Say it. Say it. Say it.
Hella top, hella bottom.
Ella top and Ella bottom.
Hallelujah.
And the hallelujah in the middle, because when you eat it, yeah, you go and say some hallelujah. And then look, I'm all roast up some breadfruit over here, not true? All right, since our breadfruit are roast up on the other side here. Breadfruit roasting over here. So you're going to take the breadfruit and put in there? Or the breadfruit going to roast? You're going to put the breadfruit on there? What happened? Listen, it's a steam roast. The breadfruit is steam roasting, okay? So if you don't think, say, when you don't know anything, you don't need to come to Jamaica, because in Jamaica, that's where the thing's set. Tell the people them why they must come to Jamaica because of this.
This is the best in Jamaica.
You're here, and tell them again where you're located.
Located in the Pirate Center.
All right. Hey. Tell them again, because this is the truck pass.
Located in the Pirate Center.
All right, so intend them come here. What's your name so they can come look for you?
Mr. Simpson.
All right, see? So all right, so tell yourself, when you come here, Jamaica is the place. When you look at this, hella top and hella bottom and
Hallelujah.
hallelujah in the middle. That's it. Thank you. That's how we roll out here in Jamaica. So let me go on this way. You say, thank you, thank you. If you don't know what ackee is, ackee there, yes, and breadfruit on that side. So excuse me, ackee and sour sap and Julie mango and number 11. So if you don't know anything about mango got different names out here. Hello. You come to Jamaica, you come here, you must get some mango, and the mango them have different names. So you have to know the which one of the mango you want when you come here. Yes, people. So that's how we do out here. That's how the thing's set in Jamaica. So you know what I do, people? That's what I do. You want to come here, it's St. Anne's. So just see the thing, and that's how the thing said. Jamaica Irie every time. Thank you.